Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to fix Facebook videos not loading. So first go to your settings, then go to Wi-Fi. So here, check your internet connection. So a weak or unstable connection is one of the most common causes. So you can switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data or mobile data to Wi-Fi. You can also restart your router if you're using Wi-Fi. Then try opening another website or streaming app to test your connection. Next is to restart or refresh Facebook. You can refresh the Facebook page if you're using a browser. If you're using your phone, you can close and reopen the Facebook app. So swipe it up and swipe it away, then reopen it and see if that works. You can also restart your device if the problem continues. Next is to disable VPN or ad blockers. So VPNs, proxy servers, or browser extensions can sometimes interfere with video playback. So you can turn off your VPN temporarily. You can disable ad blockers or privacy extensions. Then reload the Facebook video and see if that works. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching.